அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Here we are going to see the magnetic field lines around the circular coil carrying current. Let us consider this circular coil is connected to the circuit where left side is connected to the positive terminal and right side is connected to the negative terminal. So the current will flow from positive terminal to negative terminal. So the direction of the current is on left side. Here the current is flowing on left side. So the direction of the current is in upward direction. So according to right hand thumb rule, the direction of the current is as the direction of the right hand thumb. As per the right hand thumb rule, the direction of the magnetic field lines are as the direction of the other fingers. So here the magnetic field lines are in anti-clockwise direction. As the current moves, it comes to right side. On right side, it moves in downward direction. Here we have to keep the right hand thumb in downward direction to follow the right hand thumb rule. Here the current and right hand thumbs are same direction. So the magnetic field lines are in clockwise direction as the direction of the other fingers holding the conductor. Here one magnetic field line is produced in between the two concentric circles. Here you can see the direction of the magnetic field lines which is present on the two concentric circle shows that is moves from south side to north side. In normal magnet also the magnetic field lines are moves from south side to north side at the center of the magnet. So here we can say there is a magnet is produced. This type of magnet is known as temporary magnet because only in the presence of current only we can produce the magnet in between the coil. But in the absence of current, there is no magnetic field lines, so there is no magnet. So this type of magnet is known as temporary magnet. I hope you understand the concept very clearly. Thank you.